Okay, our next skill is finding the least squares regression line. And you need to know that the least squares regression line is all about the calculator. So you don't actually have to do a lot of calculations yourself. You let the calculator do everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into statistics and we're going to find our statistics page. Now, when we're given the data, and here it is, we need to enter this data in. But we also need to know what is the independent and what is the dependent variable. Now here we've got x and y written there, so we're going to be pretty confident then that the x variable is the independent and the y variable is the dependent, and that's always the case. The y is always the dependent and the x is always the independent. So in my calculator, I'm still going to call them S for sit-ups and P for push-ups, and then I'm going to enter the data into the columns. So I'll have 52, 15, and so on as I go down, and I need to make sure my push-ups matches. So in this column where I've got 52 for sit-ups, I need to do 37 for push-ups. Where I've got 15, 26, I need to make sure they match. And I'm going to enter all of my data in. So here's my data in my calculator now, and I'm going to now follow the steps to find the equation of that line. Now it's worth keeping in mind that least squares regression is the only time you will enter a lot of points, and you're always given those points from a table. So here they are. Alright, now I'm going to go calculator, regression, linear regression, and I'm going to call my X list my sit-ups, my Y list is my dependent, and I'm going to hit OK, and it will give me this screen. Now you'll notice the screen's given to me in the form of Y equals A plus BX. A will be my Y-intercept, and B will be my gradient. Now if you look here, all I do is I substitute these values straight into this equation. So if my A is 16.5 and my B is 0.6, my equation is going to become Y equals 16.5 plus 0.6x, or if I want to be really clever about it all, I will say my Y, which is my push-ups, so my push-ups will equal 16.5 plus 0.6 times my sit-ups. And that is my equation written in the original variables, and that is bound to send an examiner into raptures.
If you found this video helpful, please like the video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.